Hey guys, it's Tec Wireless. Today we're going to show you how to repair the iPad 2. This iPad right here was actually shot with a gun, and we're going to show you how to repair it. We're going to see if it's repairable. We haven't tested this yet, so we'll find out. What you're going to need is two-face tape, a knife, a Phillips screwdriver, tweezers, epoxy glue, safety glasses, and a heater gun, or a blow dryer will work too. This is our technician, Omar. You're going to have to heat up the sides to pull up the glass, or the digitizer won't come off without it. Pry up and watch for the connector down there, which we've already removed. Now you have to take the screws out, one in each corner. Pry up the LCD, watch for cables. Disconnect this cable down here. Remove. I want to remove this cable down here also. Now you're going to want to clean up the sides so you can put the new screen on. If you don't clean it up, it won't go on right. Now apply your two-face tape. Make sure you don't cover up the camera. Smooth all the edges down. Bring over your new digitizer. Connect it to the cables down here. of your new LCD. Make sure there's no dust on it. Connect it to its cable. Now put in the 4 screws that you took out in each corner.
Just make sure the connector for the LCD is it on? Yes, it's on.
Turn it on. Now you gotta grab something to mix the epoxy with. You're gonna make sure you want to use epoxy glue because it's safe for the LCD and digitizer. Spread it around across the two-faced tape.
Just in each corner.
Each corner will do okay.
Here's the double side tape that's holding the glass.
This is for extra. Remove the plastic covering. Careful when applying because you don't want to be able to lift it back up. Always start from the bottom and move yourself to the top. Smooth out all the edges so the glue stick. And it works. That's awesome. That's it, guys, for Tec Wireless. Thanks.